Alright, where do you want this last pile, Tom?
I don't know yet.
Where'd the other rake go?
It's just on there. I bet it'll come back here, but
Alright, well, today we have made significant progress. Jade's got the hostas in the front. Boom. Boom. We've got Tom, who's a machine sent from the future.
just out here for the Fitbit.
For the Fitbit. Free fitness for anyone who wants to get involved. He's been helping me out big time getting these wood chips done. Look at this. So this is the first layer. We've got the landscaping fabric down. I think it's gonna look awesome when we're done. And hopefully low maintenance. Yeah, we're just gonna take the trimmer, trim this, knock this hay down pretty much. A little more landscaping fabric and more chips. And then we'll be pretty much done in here finally. We'll set the little GoPro up and see if we can do a time lapse. Okay, wrapping it up for the day. Thanks, Tom. Just killed it in here. Have a look at this. So I was on the tractor, Tom was doing all the labor. God bless him. We brought everything up several inches, I would say. All the way around. Now the landscaping fabric's tucked underneath. Got the chicken fence, got several inches of chips. I mean, look how high up we are now. It's crazy. Got a little bit more cleanup to do, and obviously these chips will settle over time. Might bring more in later, who knows. About $250 worth of landscaping fabric went into this little operation. Like I said previously, the beds actually have cardboard underneath for the weed control. And the paths have landscaping fabric and chips. I originally wanted to just do the entire thing landscaping fabric, but the way time permitted, it was not was not happening. Anyhow, I think that's it for today. We got a new lawnmower, a Hustler. The old Cub Cadet finally shit the bed for the last time. We're gonna dig a hole and bury it out back. That'll be a fun video. Yeah, so might get around to cutting the grass. Might make a little video on that. But you know what? I'm just pooped. I think we're gonna call her good for today. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.